Hello and welcome to week 16 of Wellbeing Wednesdays 2025. And today I want to just a little talk about breathing in meditation because a few people I've spoken to recently have mentioned some issues that they have with breathing. Um, so a lot of people approach meditation thinking that they've got to have the perfect breath. It's common and understandable that sometimes people become a bit fixated on the breath, on the breathing techniques, and am I breathing right? Am I breathing correctly? Should I be deeper? Am I doing it right? And that just creates a tension that we're not looking for in meditation. And while it's true that optimal breathing is really, really important, slow diaphragmatic nasal breathing can greatly benefit overall health and well-being. But during meditation, the breath serves a slightly different purpose. We're not trying to change the breath. We're not trying to make anything any different. We're not trying to do anything when we're meditating. We're just being. And the breath is just there as an anchor. It acts as an anchor to gently ground your awareness in the present moment. And here's the key distinction. The breath itself isn't meditation. It's just a tool to support your meditation. Meditation is fundamentally about an open awareness, fully noticing and accepting what's happening right now, noticing what's happening as it's happening. When the breath becomes too much of a focal point, when we obsess about how we are breathing, well, it shifts from a helpful anchor to a distracting fixation. So rather than controlling or perfecting your breath or your breathing during meditation, just simply let the breath flow naturally. Allow it to be just as it is, quietly coming and going. If, when you're meditating, you notice that you're breathing in a particular way, just be curious about that, but just let it happen naturally. Allow it to be just as it is, quietly coming and going. Your task isn't to regulate or manipulate or change it, but to just notice when your mind has wandered off, to gently guide your attention back, using the breath as a soft reminder of the present moment, because the breath is always here with you. So if you find yourself overly focused or tense about breathing, gently remind yourself, my breath is here to support me, not to be controlled or perfected. Release the urge to achieve a certain breathing style and instead just return to a state of simple, gentle observation. In meditation, the true goal isn't flawless breathing, it's cultivating an open, spacious awareness of this very moment exactly as it is. And what you'll probably find is that as you slip into that meditative state, your breathing will naturally slow, your natural brain naturally deepen. So don't worry about the breathing. Your body knows how to breathe. Just let it get on with it. Don't interfere. Same with everything else. Get out your own way. Just stop and just be. So thank you. I hope you found that helpful for any of you who are sometimes getting caught up with the breath. Don't worry about it. You're breathing. It's fine. It's all good. So thank you. Look forward to seeing you next week. Please remember, subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more of these tips. Subscribe to our newsletter through the Mindful Therapies or Mindful Impact websites. And yeah, if you find these tips helpful, please share them. Sharing is caring. So please share them with any friends, anyone you think might benefit. So take care and hope to see you again soon. Bye now.